Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to water cucumber seedlings and offer a practical solution for those who want to grow cucumbers but don't have space on their balcony. With this technique, you can obtain healthy cucumbers. First, we take a 5-liter plastic bottle and mark where we will cut it. Try to cut the marked area neatly, because we will turn it upside down and place it back inside. Using a screwdriver heated on the stove, make 4 to 5 holes on the cap that will remain at the bottom. These holes will serve as drainage holes for the pot. Excess water will not remain in the soil, but will drain downwards. We make a large hole in the bottom part of the plastic bottle we just cut off, using the heated screwdriver again. Place this cut piece inside the plastic bottle upside down. We make holes in both of these pieces. We will pass the strings through these holes to hang our pot. After opening the drainage hole and the holes for tying the strings, we can start planting our seedling. We fill the plastic bottle with soil until it is more than halfway full. We place this cap, which we previously made holes in, upside down back at the bottom of the plastic bottle. We will place the cucumber seedling in the center and it will continue to grow here. The bottom of this plastic bottle, which we closed upside down, will compress due to the weight when we tie the strings, preventing the seedling from being crushed. When removing your seedling from the pot where it has grown, try to take it with the soil, without damaging the roots. If you damage the roots during this process, your seedling may not continue to develop, and could die. Let's talk a bit about the watering process. Your seedling should be watered in a controlled manner until the first fruit appears on the cucumber seedling. Neither too much nor too little. If you give too much water, it can cause the flower to fall off. Once the fruit starts to appear, it should be watered generously and frequently. When we say generously, it should not be to the point of overflowing, but rather watered gradually. While planting the cucumber seedling, here I will add about a handful of worm castings to its roots. The worm castings need to come into contact with the roots. After pouring this worm castings, I reinforce it again with soil on top. When growing cucumber seedlings, the soil should not be left without water. Watering should be done in the morning and evening. When placing the bottom of the plastic bottle here upside down, make sure the holes we just opened align with each other. Meanwhile, in hot and dry weather, watering every 2 days after each fruit is harvested is efficient. If you water a developed cucumber seedling irregularly, the cucumber fruit will have deformities. At the same time, you will end up with a bitter cucumber. Since the cucumber transfers the water you provide to its fruit, if you don't water it, instead of growing with equal width, there will be a narrowing in the middle. If you want to obtain healthy cucumbers, it is essential to water your cucumber regularly. Your cucumber vine has bloomed, but is not bearing fruit. Or the fruits are weak. In that case, you need to supplement with fertilizer. You can apply the natural fertilizer mixture, linked above after it blooms. As you can see here, we have placed our seedling into the pot. You need to ensure that its stem is not damaged. Neither the roots nor the stem will be harmed. The tears you see on the leaves were caused by the wooden sticks in the pot. It's not that important. Its color is dark green. It's quite healthy. I won't be doing anything like removing its first flowers. I don't feel the need to. The strongest among them will continue to develop while the weaker ones will fall off anyway. We tie a sturdy string of equal length to the 3 holes we just opened. We will use these strings to hang our pot. And we tie the 3 strings of equal length together. This method is for those who will place a pot on their balcony. It's an ideal solution for those who don't have space. And how are we going to apply this? I tied it outside my balcony. Since the cucumber seedling will grow upwards, I hang it downwards and tie it that way. By the way, make sure to use a particularly sturdy string. You can easily water it through the large hole we opened at the bottom of the plastic bottle. Tie a string to a higher place with one end attached to the plastic bottle. Thanks to this string, your cucumber seedling will climb upwards and you will be able to harvest the produce easily. As you can see here, our cucumber seedling has started to bear fruit. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to watch my next videos.